Arusha. Okay, this is the wild garlic.
Wild garlic habanero.
Whoa. Oh, try it. Whoa! It has a lot of flavor. Oh my goodness.
Oh wow.
This one is the mango hot sauce. Go Arusha, go.
Right.
It's like
I like
sweet
that
and
one.
then it goes spicy, right? Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah. That's good. It's really good.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Name?
Anna.
Where are you?
I'm in Vancouver, and this is hot Arusha.
Ghost pepper.
The ghost pepper. It's my second bite. It's delicious. I'm trying the hot Arusha's hottest sauce in the world.
Hottest sauce in the world.
Yes.
And your name is?
Kyoka.
Joka. Enjoy.
Actually, it's good. It's actually kind of spicy. It's actually pretty spicy. Thank you.